Mr. Paul, I'm pleased to see Mr. Harrison's progress. His range of motion has improved significantly.
Thank you, Mihira. We've been working hard on his exercises at home.
I'm impressed with his dedication. Let's continue with the exercises we've been doing and incorporate some new ones to challenge his muscles.
Great. He's ready to push himself.
Remember to listen to your body and avoid overexerting yourself. It's important to balance exercise with rest.
I'll be careful. I don't want to set him back.
That's important. We'll gradually increase the intensity of the exercises as he improves. Are you experiencing any pain or discomfort during the exercises?
A little soreness, but it's manageable, Mihira.
That's normal. As his muscles get stronger, the soreness should subside. If the pain becomes severe or persistent, let me know.
Mihira, it's natural to want a quick fix when you're exhausted. I should be clear that it's actually not within my role as a nurse to prescribe medications. But more importantly, for your situation, prescription sleep medication probably isn't the best solution, even if it seems like the faster route. The medications your friend took do work, but they come with significant downsides. They can be quite habit-forming, your body can start to rely on them to sleep, and over time, you might need higher doses to get the same effect. Then, if you try to stop, the insomnia can come back even worse than before. They also often leave you with a hangover effect the next day, grogginess, dizziness, and trouble concentrating. Given that you're already struggling to focus at work, this could actually make your daytime problems worse, not better. The strategies we've discussed aim to restore your body's natural ability to sleep, without any of those risks. It might take a little more patience, but it's a much safer and more sustainable path.